If you have a short stop in Pago Pago, the capital of American Samoa, and want to snorkel on your own close by, check out the $2 beach. Here is a quick summary of everything you need to know to avoid challenges and make your experience the best. As soon as you dock at the cruise terminal, there are plenty of tour operators and buses offering their services. Keep walking and see plenty of taxis waiting for you. When you go on your own, it's a good idea to team up with other couple from the cruise and bring cash in small bills. Four of us, we hired a private taxi and it was very reasonable. A drive to the $2 beach is about 30 minutes long. It passes a famous star-kissed tuna plant. It's a pleasant and scenic ride along the shoreline of Pago Pago Harbor. It passes by magnificent mountain ridges, rock formations, and lush vegetation. We agreed with the driver that he will pick us up in 4 hours. We were asked to pay in full for the round trip right away, but we decided to pay for one way only and the rest after he dropped us off back at the cruise terminal. Upon arrival, there is a kiosk that collects the entrance fees, which is very reasonable. There are showers, changing rooms, and restrooms. The cabanas are free, but the space is limited. First come, first served. Just grab the chair and plant yourself. The $2 beach is located in a gorgeous tropical spot. It is a great place to spend a few hours to enjoy snorkeling and the scenery around. The beach itself is not a big area. On the right, there is a huge coral garden to explore, and it's a great spot for snorkeling. In the middle, there is a big black lava rock formation. And on the left, there is a vast shallow area that is great for the families with small children. If you are planning to spend there at least 4 hours or more, I would suggest bringing your own snacks and drinks, because the options available at the beach are very limited to just soda, water, and coconut. But if you forgot, no worries. 10 minutes walking from the beach, there is a small convenience shop. The weather and water temperatures are very comfortable. So you don't need to wear any wetsuits, but you need reef shoes because the beach is full of rock and small pieces of sharp broken corals. Also remember that corals are very sensitive to sunscreen, so it's best to wear leggings and a long sleeve shirt to protect the corals from chemicals and yourself from sunburn. Bring your own snorkeling gear, as there are no rentals available. And the most important suggestion, go to the $2 beach during the high tide. The coral garden is right there, very close to the shoreline on the right. But it is hard to get closer and enjoy it because the water is too shallow. There is a risk of cutting yourself and damaging the corals. I suggest, before going to the beach, check the tide fluctuation times on this website and go there during the high tide so you can have the best snorkeling experience. If you get there during the low tide, you can swim around the coral garden and enjoy it from a distance. Luckily, the water is crystal clear, so it's easy to see the coral reef full of marine life and great biodiversity from a side. If you are into snorkeling, the right side is where you want to spend most of your time. Let me take you on a quick tour of what you will see and enjoy some of my encounters. Here you can float on top, enjoy tropical sun and heavenly warm water, or swim in between the black rocks and have fun getting pushed by the tide coming through. This snorkeling spot is amazing. It's close to the shoreline and it's protected by the rocks from the main body of water, so you can feel safe and relaxed. Also, the water is very transparent and there is a great variety of fish and corals to see and make your snorkeling experience joyful and rewarding. Passing through the black rocks, let's check on the left side of the $2 beach. It's a vast and very shallow area, which makes it perfect if you have small children. Snorkeling on the left side is not as spectacular as on the right side, but it's pleasant and relaxing. And there is always a chance to see something interesting. Overall, if you have a short stop in Pago Pago, American Samoa, and want to snorkel on your own close by, you will love visiting the $2 beach. Avoid the challenges by going there during the high tide, and remember my other suggestions to have an incredible and the best experience ever. I hope you liked my video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and travel and explore together in my next video.